Take a ride in the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.